Hey, it's Gina with WTI. My husband and I are always looking for fun games that we can play outside, and we've really been enjoying using this Yard Games wooden ladder toss game. I really appreciate that this is water resistant because we live in an area that gets a lot of rain, and I accidentally forgot it outside and it rained, but the next day it dried off and there was no damage or watermarks, which made me really happy. Of course, I'm not going to leave it outside all the time, but when I forget and I do leave it out, it's nice to know that it's not going to ruin it to have rain on it. I've used other ladder toss games that are made out of plastic, and they just don't operate as well as this wooden one does. I'm really impressed with how well it stood up, even in some really strong wind gusts that we had out at our place while we were playing. You can see it wobbled a little bit, but it didn't fall over at all, even, of course, when we were throwing the bolos at it. These bolos are really nice. They are tangle resistant, which I appreciate. I hate untangling strings. I also like that it has pegs for scoring. My husband and I are pretty competitive, so we like to keep score, and it's nice to have that right on the board so we don't have to think about having paper or something else around to help keep score. I like that this comes with its own carrying case. I intend to take it to some gatherings that we're having over the summer so that everybody can enjoy it, and it's so nice that it comes apart easily and fits into the carrying case. We're really enjoying this ladder toss game. If you're looking for a fun activity to get your kids outside or have friends and family over, this is the way to go. And that's our point of view.